If you're over 40 and your shoulders round forward, your head lives in front of your body, and every picture or video at the gym makes you look more hunched than you feel, this video is for you. Rounded shoulders are messing with your bench, your overhead work, and even how you feel just sitting at your desk. You tried stretching your chest and sitting up straight, and it works for about 5 minutes. Then you're right back in the same slouch. In this video, I'll show you how to fix rounded shoulders with a 5-minute Big 5 reset that actually trains your body to own better positions instead of just yanking on tight muscles and hoping it sticks. I'm Dr. Joey Seyforth, online shoulder rehab specialist and founder of Combat Performance. I've been that guy who felt strong but looked like a question mark. Shoulders forward, head forward, stuck in a slouched position from training and desk work. I stretched, I foam rolled, I tried to stand tall, and nothing really changed because I never trained the system that holds my shoulders where they live all day. Today, my team and I have helped over 800 shoulders through one-on-one online rehab and coaching, mostly lifters in their 40s, 50s, and 60s who still want to bench, press, row, do pull-ups and dips without their posture and shoulders fighting them the whole way. Let's talk about what rounded shoulders actually are, then I'll show you 2 quick self-checks and a 5-minute Big 5 reset to end the slouch. Rounded shoulders aren't just about bad posture, they're a Big 5 breakdown. When your head and thoracic spine drift forward and stay there, your shoulder blades get dragged along for the ride. That limits how well your shoulders can rotate and move overhead without compensating. So instead of thinking I have to sit perfectly upright forever, think I need to build strength and motion in the right places. Neck, upper back, shoulder blade, shoulder joint, and work on stability. So better positions are actually available and easy. Stretching is passive. It gives you a temporary window where things feel looser. Active mobility and strength is what trains your body to move into those positions and own that range of motion for the long term. Let's run 2 quick screens so you can see how your rounded shoulders are showing up right now. First is wall angels. Stand with your back against the wall, feet a few inches forward. Gently get your hips and upper back against the wall. Now bring your arms up like a goalpost and see if you can bring your hands to touch the wall without your low back arching off. If you have to crank your low back forward, your ribs pop up, or your hands can't get near the wall, that tells us your neck, T-spine, and shoulder blade is pulling you into that rounded position. I know you're struggling with shoulder pain and you obviously want to fix it, so text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 and I'll send you my free shoulder pain fix demo. Now back to the show. Second is a shoulder flexion check. Stand tall, slowly raise both arms out in front of you overhead. Watch for a big rib flare or low back arch to get there, or a feeling of tightness and limitation that stops you short of the full range, getting your bicep to your ear. If your body has to cheat with your spine to get overhead, that's another sign rounded shoulders are coming from more than just a tight chest. Now, let's hit a 5-minute Big 5 reset to start changing that. We're going to hit a couple different areas with these exercises. We're going to hit the neck and the nerves, the shoulder blade, the thoracic spine, and the back of the shoulder for stability and load. You could think of each move as roughly 45 to 60 seconds. Do all of them back to back for about 5 minutes. Move 1 is a chin tuck and extension for the neck and nerves. Sit or stand tall. Gently glide your head straight back like you're making a double chin. Don't jam it. From that tuck position, move your head into extension. Then come back to neutral and relax. Do about 10 slow reps. Here, teaching your neck to live more stacked over your shoulders instead of hanging out in front, which is key if you want your shoulders to be able to do their job. Move 2 is a bench opener for the thoracic spine. Kneel in front of a bench or a sturdy chair. Place your elbows on the bench, hands together or holding a dowel. Slowly set your hips back and let your chest drop between your arms. You should feel a stretch between your lats and the front of the shoulders and motion through your mid-back. Do 8 to 10 smooth reps. This opens up your thoracic spine and front shoulders so you're not stuck in that rounded, collapsed position all day. Move 3 is a banded scap angel for the shoulder and shoulder blade together. Anchor a light band about chest height and hold it with both hands, arms straight out in front of you. Step back to create light tension. From there, slowly sweep your arms up into a wide Y overhead, letting your shoulder blades rotate up and around your ribs, then return down to the start. Complete 10 reps. You should feel the muscles around your shoulder blades working, not a sharp pinch. This trains your shoulder blade and shoulder to move into a more open, tall position instead of living rolled forward. Move 4 is a banded extension external rotation. This is for the posterior shoulder. Grab a light band and hold it with both hands behind your back. Start with your hands near your lower back. Gently pull the band apart and back, bringing your shoulders into a little extension and external rotation, like you're opening up your chest and tucking your shoulder blades in your back pockets. Slowly return without letting the band control you. Complete 10 reps. You should feel this in the back of your shoulders and upper back, not a jab in the front. This helps bring your shoulders back into a stronger, more neutral position instead of letting them hang forward. Move 5 is a bear shoulder tap for stability and load. Get into a bear position, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Lift your knees an inch or two off the ground. Slowly tap your opposite shoulder with one hand, then switch, keeping your hips as steady as you can. Do 2 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. This builds close chain stability and reinforces a better position under load, which is what your shoulder actually needs when you train. Now you may wonder, when should you do this reset? On long desk days, once midday and once before you shut the laptop. Also before push and overhead days. Run through it once before bench, push-ups, overhead press, or shoulder heavy sessions. And also on off days, once per day to train your body to not continually go into that slouch position. Pain rules are the same as my other videos. Green feels good or like a light stretch, generally okay. Yellow is a 2 to 3 out of 10, discomfort that settles quickly after you stop. Red is a sharp pain or soreness that spikes and lingers. You need to back off the range, change the angle of the exercise, or skip that move for now. Remember, stretching only gives you a temporary window. This reset is about actively training your nervous system and muscles to move in and out of those positions so you can own them for longer periods. Your shoulder lives inside a big 5 system: your neck, thoracic spine, shoulder blade, shoulder joint, and nerves. Over 40, the game isn't perfect posture or bust. It's about having strong, stable, and smart shoulders that let you live and lift on your own terms. If you want to help figure out exactly which parts of your Big 5 are holding you back and how to train with your current shoulder, grab my free Big 5 shoulder fix training using the link in the description. And if you're over 40 and tired of looking and feeling slouched, use the wall angel and shoulder flexion screens to see how rounded shoulders are showing up, and run this 5-minute Big 5 reset to hit all of those areas: chin tucks and extensions, bench openers, banded scap angels, banded extension and external rotations, and bear shoulder taps. If your rounded shoulders are coming up mostly from long desk days and you feel it most in your neck and upper back, the next best video to watch is this one. It'll show you how to plug this into your workday so you're not living in that slump motion all day and then trying to go to the gym. And if you're over 40, your rounded shoulders are messing with your lifting and your day-to-day, and you've already tried stretching, foam rolling, and just sitting up straight without real change, you probably don't have a motivation problem. You have a Big 5 problem. If you want help with the shoulders long-term and want a plan built around your presentation and your goals, then text me the word PAIN to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.